Okay, this is the B701 Balloon Sizer. Taken it out of the package. We have the main part of the sizer. Take that out of the bag, which opens a bit, opens like this. But we need to have it folded while we attach the sizing rods. Now the sizing rods, when they come out of the packet, what you have to be aware of is they're usually on the wrong way, like this one is. This one's the correct way, where the nut is visible from this side. This one is it's incorrect. So what we're going to do is we're going to take that off and flip it over. You can see that the nut is on the, oh, can you see that? You'll see when it comes off. The nut is on the wrong side. The reason being is that as it pulls, it will actually just pull the nuts up onto there and it will jam up the system. So we just flip it over and we have it this way. And that's what we need to do, is we need to make sure that on all of them, this one's also wrong. We need just to flip that round. And put it on correctly. Then we can put in, we can see that like that. And we can see that on the inside of the top piece, it has a slide guide, which is designed to go in there. So that just goes in to there like this. And then we screw down for a certain amount and then use the wing nut for the rest. If we screw this in too much so that the rod sticks too far, it causes a problem and a jam up on the system as well. So what we need to do is just make sure that it's not too far through the hole. It just goes onto there like this, and then we use the wing nut to tighten it up. It's easy when it's flat. I'm just trying to show you in the best angle that I can have. So uses them wing nuts just to tighten it. And then we'll put the third one on the opposite side, just so there's a bit of change. So I'm gonna undo the wing nut to open it up, making sure that it's through but not through too far. And then that goes into here like this. And I'm just tightening up that wing nut. Like so. And then we can lie it down. And then it means that what I can do is just don't turn these parts. What we're going to do is slacken the wing nut, slide it into the position that we want it to. So if we're going to do, say for instance, 7 inches, it goes onto here like this, and then we tighten that up so that it stands upright, but again with the wing nut, not with this. And then we move our second one into, say for instance, the 0 position, so it's in between, so that's 7 inches. Or if we wanted to go 14 inches, we'll take this one all the way along the end, out of the way, and we'll take this one back to 7 inches, tighten that up, and that's 14 inches in between those two rods. But these are nice and solid. This one is very wobbly, and that's because of the wing nut. Tighten that down, making sure that the top piece is in between the guides, so it slides, so it gets a good connection, and then it's solid again. And that's it, as simple, as easy as that. Once we want to take it apart, relax the wing nuts just a little bit, relax the wing nuts, and for all three, fold it over, and then that's just it. Sometimes this jams in a little bit because it's been tightened in fully. If you just pull that up a little bit, slides off. Same with this one. We just either a fingernail, or fingernail generally does it, and we've got our 3 rods and our foldable ready to put back into the box or away, or however you like to store it. It's as easy as that.